We can take an example of client. A college student connects his computer to the internet via an Ethernet connection in his room. Ethernet, that is a type of internet connection, you can say, which we get through Wi-Fi or hotspot. The university distributes custom software that will allow his computer to wake up him every morning with local news. The local news is that what is being happened all around you, that surrounds you all in a nearby area, not far away. That is what local news, the news related to your street or any public news or related to the municipality or any other. Audio clips are downloaded and web browser is launched. As the sound clips play, the browser automatically updates to display a new image. Suppose you click on any song, what happens? Suddenly the image starts changing, a new image is displayed. And this happens just because of a browser. The browser automatically updates to display a new image that corresponds to the report. A weather map is displayed when the local weather is being announced. Means you get the daily weather updates. Today it will be sunny, cloudy or rainy. So these updates are sent by the browser. And to whom it is sent? It is sent to the user. So now we know who is a client. Client is a web browser. Because just now we read a web client is an application which is used by the user to communicate over internet. So now we know about web server. It is a software that works with hardware to communicate with the internet to satisfy the requests which are sent by the clients. And what is client? A client is an application which is used by the user to access over the internet. So how we can access? We can directly not talk to the internet. So what we will do? So we will use a medium for making communication, for exchanging data or information. And that medium is so called browser. Think about resources that you regularly visit on the web. Web is a collection of data. Maybe every morning you check something like your social networking sites, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and many other sites like weather, daily news, local news, or the country news. Many people have habit of listening to that. So what happens? These all are notified. The notifications are sent on your mobile through browsers. Browsers are for browsing. They are wonderful tools for discovery, for traveling to far off virtual lands. That is, means suppose you are visiting any place and you don't know that exact location. Suppose you are visiting any place and you don't know the exact location, but you know the address. So you can search it on the Google map and you will get the location by the GPS. And you can reach to the exact location, the address, what you are looking for. But once you know what you want, a more specialized client might be more effective for your needs. Suppose if you know what is to be searched on the internet, then you are the more specialized client. Means if you don't know what is to be searched, because internet is like a sea or ocean, it contains a huge collection of data. If you are searching anything without a particular reason or a work what you have to do, you will not get the exact answer. You cannot work on your field. But suppose if you want to ask a question, what is a computer? It will give you number of answers. So browser is an application which is used to access the internet. Now we know. And how we access? By entering the URLs. URL is what? Uniform Resource Locator. And after that we type HTTP, that is the protocol which is followed over exchanging the data on the internet. The most common interface to the World Wide Web is the browser. And here are some examples like Mosaic, Netscape Navigator or Internet Explorer. With a browser, you can download web documents and view them formatted on your screen. Formatted means the fonts in which the texts are written. So in this video, we came to know about web server, web client and the browser. Web server, it is a working of software along with the hardware that helps to satisfy the request sent by the clients to the World Wide Web. And web is a collection of data. And what is a client? Client is an application used by the user to access the internet. And browser is an application that helps in making communication, that is exchanging data and information between the internet and the user.